We're learning that longtime Republican Senator Lindsey Graham has passed away.
We are continuing to follow breaking news here at Live Now from Fox. Republican Senator Lindsey Graham has died.
The U.S. Republican Senator Lindsey Graham has died following a brief and sudden illness at the age of 71.
Senator Lindsey Graham is dead at 71. Just 2 days after standing next to President Zelensky in Kyiv, one of the closest allies Donald Trump has in the Senate, is gone. On Friday, he was in Ukraine, talking air defense and new sanctions on Russia. Saturday night, he was dead. Police scanner audio picked up a call for cardiac arrest at his Capitol Hill home Saturday night. Paramedics rushed him out on a stretcher. His staff says there was no warning, no sign he was feeling unwell beforehand. His office confirmed it early Sunday morning, a brief and sudden illness. President Trump reacted within hours, calling Graham a true American patriot. Tributes poured in from overseas, too. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu and his wife Sarah said Israel has lost one of its greatest friends. Isaac Herzog called Graham a beacon of moral clarity and a true leader of the U.S.-Israel partnership. Israel's National Security Minister Itamar Ben-Gvir said Israel has lost one of its greatest friends. Knesset Speaker Amir Ohana sent condolences on behalf of the Knesset to Graham's family in South Carolina in an X post on Sunday, thanking him for fighting for what is good. Even Zelensky weighed in, saying he was grateful to Graham for recognizing our warriors just days before his death. So what happens now? South Carolina's governor will appoint a replacement to hold the seat until January. A special primary is expected by August 11th. Graham had just won his own primary weeks ago, gunning for a 5th term. 23 years in the Senate, gone overnight. Lindsey Graham, dead at 71.